this is Lisha Batta and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you the most effective coffee packs which will help you reduce suntan and an uneven skin tone right in the comfort of your home. So on my channel you'll find a lot of ghar ke nuske or home remedies, but I only feature those remedies which are well researched, backed by actual studies and will not harm your skin. So all the DIY coffee masks I'll be showing you today have been personally tried and tested by me over several months, and trust me, they show great results. So talking about the benefits of coffee, it is loaded with antioxidants, which means it protects your skin from free radical damage like the damage caused by pollution. It also plays a great role in skin regeneration, hence it is an effective ingredient in removing suntan as well as making your skin brighter and softer. So finally, let me show you the most effective DIY coffee packs for glowing skin. But wait, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, please abhi kar lo, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well to stay updated about all my new videos. So let's get started. So we are going to use normal store-bought instant coffee along with easily available ingredients at home. First is the coffee and turmeric face pack. For this you need 1 tablespoon coffee powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Mix all these ingredients together to form a smooth paste. This is a very effective mask as it consists of turmeric, which reduces the dull appearance of the skin, and yogurt is a natural AHA, so it is a great exfoliant especially for sensitive skin as it won't irritate your skin. This will reduce uneven skin tone as well as suntan really well. Let the mask dry for around 20 minutes and rinse off with warm water. The second mask is coffee and honey face mask. For this you will need 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of quality organic honey. You can also use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera as an optional step. Mix both the ingredients well, and if you think the mixture is too sticky, then you can add some fresh aloe vera gel as well. Please don't use store-bought aloe vera gel as it has no real benefits. This is an amazing tan removal face pack as honey speeds up your skin's healing process and nourishes it very well. The enzymes in honey also work as a gentle exfoliator, so when used with coffee, it is a very effective treatment for suntan. Coffee also helps in stimulating blood flow, which leads to healthier and brighter skin. You can apply this on tanned areas, be it your face, neck, arms, etc. You have to keep this on for at least 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. This is my favorite DIY recipe, which is the coffee ice cubes for skin. For this you need 1 tablespoon of coffee and 3 tablespoons of water. Just mix the ingredients together and freeze them in any small bowl or ice cube tray. Like you can see, I freeze them in an ice cube tray and then I use one of these cubes every single day or every alternate day. You can also wrap the ice cube in a thin cloth to massage this all over your face. This helps to depuff the face, soothes any skin irritation, and coffee boosts cell regrowth that leads to improved hydration and increased skin elasticity. This is one of my favorite DIYs with coffee, and I use this very often, especially before applying makeup. This is also great at depuffing the eyes. Next we have the coffee and lemon body pack. For this you need 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix all these ingredients together and make sure there aren't any lumps in the mixture. You can apply this on any tanned body part. Do not apply this to your face as lemon could irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. This is a fantabulous body pack for tan removal. Since lemon has vitamin C, it helps lighten the skin tone. Aloe vera is another great ingredient for the skin as it helps to lighten blemishes, soothes sunburns and moisturizes the skin. And coffee, like you know, is a wonder ingredient. You have to keep this on for 20 minutes. So these were my favorite coffee packs and masks for removing suntan at home. Coffee is truly a wonder ingredient even in scrubs and in lightening dark circles. So let me know if you want me to do a video on DIY coffee scrubs or eye masks. And don't forget to check out this video on this glamorous purple eye makeup tutorial that I did. And tell me in the comment section below if you want me to do more such home remedies or if you prefer makeup tutorials. And most importantly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon.